You used to say you in love, I used to say sit back, thinking that shit from the heart. Now look where the fuck are we at? Girl, you got me just going up bad.
Today I've got an exciting new airdrop to show you. Base is airdropping back to their supporters a portion of the Ethereum you spent on Layer 1 gas fees in 2024 to the Base network. You just have to connect your wallet to the platform and it automatically calculates the total amount you've spent on gas fees in 2024 and determines how much you will receive. The more you've interacted with the network, the greater your airdrop will be. I'm going to claim it now on my main wallet and see how much I receive. I've been trading on this wallet for a while, so I should receive a fair bit. I'm going to connect via seed phrase because that's the fastest. 1 second, I have it written down. If you can't find it, it's usually in the wallet settings. Okay, it needs to connect. Alright, seems like it's processing. Looks like I got my 0.34 ETH rewarded for my gas fee spent. Let me check my MetaMask. I received the 0.34 ETH pretty fast. Wow. I'm not sure how long this airdrop will be active for, so make sure to claim it fast. The link is in the description.